Welcome to Success Step by Step, the channel where we share practical tips and advice to help you achieve your career goals. In this video, we're going to talk about how to update your resume and cover letter. Whether you're applying for a new job or just want to improve your job prospects, we've got some tips to help you stand out from the crowd. So, let's get started. Step 1. Choose the right resume format. There are several different types of resume formats, including chronological, functional, and combination formats. Choose the one that best suits your skills and experience. If you're not sure which one to use, research the different types and consult with a professional resume writer. Step 2. Highlight your skills and accomplishments. Your resume should highlight your skills and accomplishments that make you a good fit for the job you're applying for. Use bullet points and action verbs to describe your accomplishments and make them stand out. Quantify your achievements whenever possible, using numbers or percentages. Step 3. Tailor your resume to the job. Don't send the same resume to every job you apply for. Customize your resume for each job, highlighting the skills and experiences that are most relevant to the position. This will show the employer that you've taken the time to understand the job requirements and are a good fit for the position. Step 4. Keep it concise. Your resume should be no more than 2 pages long. Be concise and focus on the most important information. Use clear, easy-to-read fonts and formatting, and proofread your resume for errors. Step 5. Personalize your cover letter. Your cover letter should be personalized and tailored to the job you're applying for. Address the letter to the hiring manager and mention the job title and company name. Explain why you're a good fit for the job and highlight your skills and experiences that make you a strong candidate. Step 6. Be professional. Your resume and cover letter are your first impression with potential employers, so it's important to be professional. Use proper grammar and punctuation, and avoid slang or overly casual language. Make sure your contact information is up to date and easy to find. Updating your resume and cover letter can be a daunting task, but by following these steps, you'll be well on your way to improving your job prospects. Remember, it's important to be persistent and keep applying for jobs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video on Success Step by Step.